Let's take a look at what happened today towards 3 o'clock. Tesla is down $10.08, 3.92%, closed at 247.14. Post-market, we're down by 22 cents in addition. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. We were doing pretty good during the day. We went and look at this again. We touched our resistance again, touching it. This week here is indicating to us that we had some sellers, but then the sellers ran through the buyers. They ran through the buyers. So now we have red candle. We even broke lower than 250.69. And where does that leave us? We are just a little bit lower than our bullish channel support right here. I'm going to put it as a break of that support, even though it's pretty close to it. We'll see tomorrow if we come back above it. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. So everything was doing pretty well. The first hour was pretty good. Second hour, okay. Third, fourth, fifth hour, basically going sideways. We pretty much had a support at 254.68. Then it was broken at 230, and then stochastic was gone. Stochastic was gone. It was at 41. And we already have this little bit of a break, and then boom, we had the big move down. And on the 1 hour chart, we have some support at 247.17, support that we had in the past right here. Let's hope that tomorrow we are rebounding on that 247.17. This is something that we need to watch. Let's see if the rest of the market fared the same thing. So VIX is up quite far. So we are up 1.14. That's 9% up. So basically, this is the step change that caused the move in Tesla. We had this big move up. VIX is the fear factor of the stock market, and this has climbed higher. Let's take a look at our government bonds. The bonds are coming down, so this is good news. And US dollar also, it's just going sideways, so this is pretty good too. Let's look at our EV stocks. So Rivian is caving onto 24.62. Luckily for this one, I sold in profit around noon when I saw that it was starting to cave in a little bit. Personally, I'm quite happy about this. I would still have been in profit anyway, but this is just luck. Let's take a look at XPeng continuing down. NIO also, I had just got into NIO. Things were going pretty well, and now we are back into 791. If we go lower than 791, I'm just going to be out and find another time to come back in. I also got into VinFast. So VinFast is still looking pretty good. We still have a good stochastic. We went higher and then we're squished down, but we are still above 733. Apple is caving under 196.67. ARM also having a hard time. So I think pretty much everything is having a hard time. Palantir, yeah, I'm also out of that one, and I got out before the end of the day. This is better. NVIDIA, the same thing, caving in to 503. Let's look at our stock indices. Dow Jones is down 1.27%. S&P 500 broke lower than 47.42. We had that break recently. I didn't make any money on that one, and I just got out because of this move. I am not chancing it with SPX or SPY. As soon as it turns around, I just get out. NASDAQ, the same thing. Yeah, this is a cave-in. We had a break. We had a break of important resistance. And sometimes it's a trap. And sometimes it just continues. Now we have a cave-in right here. So NASDAQ is caving in. We have S&P 500 that's also caving in. And Dow Jones is still above support. Let's take a look at gold going sideways. Silver, not too bad. Silver likes these things when the stock market is going down. The metals tend to go up. Bitcoin liked it also. Ripple up 2%. And Google, we almost had a break at 142.35. So things were going pretty well during the day. It was going well in the morning. And then things got a little bit uglier. This is the stock market. This is what it does. It goes up and then it comes back down. This is only one candle. Let's wait for the rest of the week to see what is going to happen. Are we going to come back up and everything? The VIX came up. I could not understand why this happened, but maybe this is just a fluke and things are going to stabilize a little bit tomorrow. Let's see, but let's be ready to sell. Let's just be ready to sell. Below 791, I'm out. And VinFast below 733, I'm out. And Tesla, I'm personally going to switch back to the 1 hour chart. We have important support right here. Important support at 247. And if it holds, I'm going to be happy. If it does not hold, I'm out. We should not get emotionally involved. If things are not going our way, we get out. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.